How to originate an ACH without a template. To get started, select the Money Movement option from the top navigation, and then select ACH from the drop-down menu. This page is where you can make payments and manage your templates. Select Send Money Without a Template. Since ACH payments without a template are often one-time payments, a name is optional. Adding a name will allow you to save this information for future use. Next, fill in the name of the template if you choose, and select the request type and company ID from the drop-down. You can also enter a description of the ACH template. This description is only visible to you and will not display on the recipient's account. Select the appropriate debit account from the drop-down and then enter the maximum transfer amount. Lastly, enter the effective date for this transaction. Review the information for accuracy and then click Continue. If you need to make any edits to the batch header information, you can select the pencil icon to make changes. Next, review the effective date and enter the control amount. This control amount is the intended value for the entire template and acts as a safeguard to ensure you don't send out more money than intended. Under the Payment Instructions section, choose whether or not you will process details with amounts of $0. Selecting Do Not will prevent $0 transactions from being transmitted. Next, enter the recipient information. Under ABA/TRC, add the routing number. Under Account, add the destination account number, and then select the account type. Lastly, enter the name of the recipient under the accounts. Detail ID is only for your records and is an optional field, along with default amount, which is the default amount set for the template. If you plan on using the template more than once for different amounts, you can leave this at 0. The ABA search tool allows you to perform a search and confirm you have the correct routing number. Once you click Continue, the next screen will have you verify the payment before either transmitting it or submitting it for approval. You have now originated an ACH without a template.